For those of you coming over from TikTok, we are going to be watching me unbox this massive jewelry haul from Colorado Pumpkin. Most of this jewelry will be from Resell. She did quite a few dollar lots, so obviously I spent a little bit more money. As you can see, there's quite a few different lots in here, but I will be showing you this probably in 2 parts. So let's get started. Hopefully everyone can see pretty well here. I have it kind of nice in front of my camera. This is a lot of earrings. As I said, I at least paid $1 or $2 per bag. Like I said, I have to go back and look. I want to say it's somewhere around maybe 65 or 70 with shipping included. I'm not exactly sure, but it was a massive amount. So let's take a look at some of these things. We got this earring set. And they're very, very they're so neat looking. I know this might not be the style for everybody, but it is definitely unique, and I do remember bidding on them and thinking that they were so cool, and I think other people were like, no, but I like these. If I were to price them, they would definitely be like in an artsy type of category, and I would at least try for $15 for this pair because of uniqueness. I know it's not for everybody, but I like them. Then this second pair, which I really like this pair. This is really cute. Might keep these for myself. If I were to sell them, I think I could probably get in the $12 range. Got this next little one. Wow, that's really, let's see, that's really cute. It looks like faux turquoise. There's a couple stones missing. That's alright, because like a lot of these were just put in bundle lots like for $1. Oh, there's the other one. And I'm sure I knew anyways. If there were stone missing, she was very good at pointing all of that out. But it's not really that big of a deal because you can always replace little stones like that. And I might do that. Those are really cute though. Once fixed, I would say I could probably sell these in the $10 range. So these have how much they originally sold for in the back, $21. They're Melissa Faye. I remember bidding on these because it said handmade in Milwaukee, and my family is originally from there, so I really like them. I might be keeping them for myself, but because they're brand new and they're probably vintage, I would expect to get in the $15 to $20 range. These are neat. They're like clay. How cool is that, the clay? Sorry if it's moving off screen a little bit. I'm like looking at the earring instead of through the phone. I'm looking at it separately. But those are really cool. Oh, that one fell apart. That's okay. I've ordered a jewelry making kit, so I'll be able to repair things, because I figure if I'm getting into selling jewelry, I'm going to have to make sure I have all the tools necessarily to repair things. I would say maybe in the $10 range, maybe $12 once repaired. And then this last pair in here. These are really cute. Not so much my style because I really like the hooks for myself, but definitely something I could sell in the $10 range. And of course, any of these earrings that I would be selling, I would make sure they have the backs on them. This one has the back on it, but this one does not. So let's take a look and review for bag one. Let's say I spent $2 per bag on average. And so let's say bag one, $2, or maybe let's say $3. So $3 for the bag. I've got a pair of $10 earrings. We'll just round down to 10 for these. 10, 20, 30, 40, price of these probably a little bit higher, 70, 80. So if I spent $3 for this entire bag, my net, if I sold everything, would be, my estimate, 80. All right, let's go to bag 2. Let's take a look at bag 2. And I'm going to say $3 on average per bag. In here. Ooh, these are cute. Oh, I almost lost my camera. Alright, we got some really cute boho earrings. I consider them to be boho. Maybe not everybody does, but the browns, I consider that. Those are really, really cool. Could wear them either way. Well, maybe not either way, but if you put them in backwards, maybe. Yeah, I would definitely say this would be a at least $10 set. I like those a lot, even for me. Right, next. Oh, these are neat. These are some dangly red ones. I like them. These are really cute. I don't think they would resell for much, even though they're quite unique. They're not as much in style as maybe some of the other ones are, but I definitely like them. I would say, I'm going to round and say at least $10 on these, but might be less. Oh, those are clips. Those are very different. Where's the other one? Kind of like purposely bent. A little bit of wear on that. I wonder if that would clean up. But I don't know about clips so much. They're definitely different. I don't think they have any kind of maker's mark on the back. No, they don't. Maybe $5 on these? Yeah, we'll say $5. These little buddies are super cute. And these are screw back, which means they're older. I'm going to see if I can get them to come apart. Oh, I think they're screwed on purposely so they don't get lost. That's cool. Wow, that is a really cute vintage little flowers. I wonder if they're like from the 70s or something. Need a little bit of cleaning, but definitely I would say at least $10 on those. Okay, these appear to be just kind of your standard basic earrings. Those are ones that I would probably put in a lot. I don't really think they're worth all that much. They are cute, but not something that would be really spectacular to sell, or I would think would get me a lot based on fashion. So we'll say a conservative estimate of $1. And then I like these like little enamel flowers. I remember bidding on these. Can't get them to turn around. But very, very cute. Enamel. I like them for me. And if I was reselling them though, which I probably will be, we'll say about $5. So in this one, we're going to say 5, 6, 16. Let's just round to 20. Maybe we'll say 28. And then these would be 38. So $3 into 38. Let's see what's next. Bag number 3. Here we go. I'm going to quite a few on little backs. These are really pretty looking earrings. Not too pricey, but I would at least think about $5 I could get on those. Ooh, these are really cool. So one of the things I do need to get for selling with jewelry is to find out for like gold testing and silver testing. I don't know for sure. Like some of the lots she was kind of just putting together. Some of them she did test. I don't think these were tested, but these are very unique and I really love these. I do want to test them and find out about them, but I might just keep them for myself. I really like those a lot. They might not be anything. They could just be gold tone metal, and they might just be gold tone metal. But I think they're very cool. Very cool, very custom-like. Oh, if I sold these, depending on what they are, but I mean, for the uniqueness and the vintage quality, I would say $20 on those. Not anything spectacular. They move, which is cool. I'd say $5. These are really, this is neat. It's like wire mesh and then little crystals inside. Here we go. Sorry about that. Wire mesh and crystals inside. That is really neat. I like that a lot. Very, very cool. Very, very neat. If I were to sell these, at least $10, I would say on these. Definitely. Definitely at least $10. Let's round up to 15. Some plain brown ones, just a little brown color. Say maybe a couple of dollars because they look vintage, so like $5. And ooh, those are unique. Those look almost like opals, some opal jewelry that I have. So I'd have to kind of find out more about what they are and what they might be made out of. So depending on those, let's say conservative estimate of 20. All right, so if we're going to figure out what we have, we say 20, 40, 5, 10, so 50, 60, and we'll say 75 on that lot. Very neat. Still really like those. Love this little lot. Very cool. Okay, this is lot 4. We're starting to get into some pendants and jewelry, necklaces and things. I think this is going to be my last lot for this particular video. Don't want to make it too long. That way you can come check out the next videos that will be released. But let's get started. Ooh, these are really, really pretty. They're like gold with a textured metal material. I like these a lot. I would say $10? $10 on these. Really cute little boho necklace. Little elephant necklace. That is very cute. Very, very cute boho beads. I'd say at least $10 on the boho necklace. Very cute, very pretty fake plastic stone in the middle of this, but I really like it, and I like the little leather chain on there. I would say maybe $10. And a really, really cute gold owl. I like the little reticulation on him and the gold chain color. I would say at least probably about $15. Owls are really popular. So we have an owl. This one. And the boho necklace, which would be about 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 right here. I think this is a good stopping point. So we're going to pause for a second and I'll be right back. I made a quick estimation on this 4-bag lot of an investment of about $12. My estimated net is $238. After fees, it would be less for my gross amount, and of course I have to subtract the amount I paid. but that is where I am currently. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit. Bye.